Hey, hi, here Mr. Christian. Let me tell you about the border. We are talking about the border. My friend is Mr. Limsab is came from long way to meet me here and make a message for the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Really about and DC Hussein Jan about the border. You know that the border is on your hand, my brothers. You are the Balochi people. We are Balochi people. You know that. A border our stomach and our food and our job is here. I have an BA but I don't get the job and the government. So what the hell is mean of that? And broken my heart, broken my life, broken my everything. That's mean I broke. But I don't want to my poor peoples, my brothers, my Baloch people, they will make some wrong way and gather some ways is check about a border. Please open the border. Don't try to close the border. Yesterday was in the Tokari was in 2,20,000 rupees. From where we get that? If we're going to give them 2,20,000 rupees, so how should we get the profit? You know that, and you also Baloch people. Mr. DC or Sinjan, you know how to do things. And border on your hand, you are the Prime Minister of Pakistan. You have to know that. And please, we are Baloch people, we are poor people. Please help us, Allah will help you. Mr. DC or St. John, you're going to help us, Allah will help you. Please, our stomach and our